You join me not in the bush, unfortunately, in the Karoo, Cederberg, Botswana. We got sent some pretty cool toys, and one that I was very excited about are these. They're called the TrailSnap. They are magnetic trailer plugs, and the idea is, instead of having to, like first world problems, really like struggle to get the plug in, you just go that way around. As simple as that. Like that took what? 5 seconds. Just up. It's a pretty strong magnet, I will admit, and you can just like dangle it nearby, and as long as it's, you'll see there is a hole and a locator pin on the female side. This is the male side. Simple as that. I mean, that's pretty cool. Now you're probably wondering, is it difficult to install? Vehicle electronics and trailer electronics is not my forte. I've got the knowledge, but I don't have the tools. So I called in a favor with a friend who works with this stuff on a day-to-day basis, and he helped me do it properly. I can do it myself, but he helped me do it properly, because especially when you're working with wiring, you want to have it done the right way. So let's cut to some footage of us installing and take it from there. If you are having any installation problems, you are welcome to contact the manufacturer, who will help you troubleshoot any installation problems you might have. So as you can see, it's actually pretty easy to install. Yes, you need a certain knowledge of how to work with wiring properly, but it's really not too difficult if you've got the right tools for it. We ended up going for a crimp method instead of a solder. It tends to probably last a bit longer. People will definitely ask you, oh, what's that TrailSnap? And then you can just show them. Now, you might be wondering, can I not only use this with these two? Like, do I not have to use this trailer? Like, how do I use another trailer? TrailSnap's got you covered. There's an adapter which uses the normal trailer plug and then adapts it to a male, like one of these, and then the male will obviously just go in there like that, and there you go. So you don't have to worry about other trailers or caravans not working. They've got you covered. So if you're interested in snapping one of these products, sorry, I had to do it, check the link down below or use the inquiry form. If there's any specific gadgets or toys that you would like us to feature and go over and review, comment that down below as well, and we will get our hands on one. Yeah, like the video, share it with your friends, comment, tag your friend who you think needs one of these, because they're forever struggling with plugging the trailer in. And again, it's just so easy. I absolutely love it. I can literally do this all day. I'm like a kid in a toy shop. I mean, it's just so cool.